Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well at home. Today it is time for activity. Our today's activity is Teachers' Day activity. Children, do you know why we celebrate Teachers' Day? Teachers' Day is celebrated to pay our respect to our teachers and express gratitude. The birth date of our second President of India, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, that is 5th September 1882. It is celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962. This is the time we pay respect to our teachers, our respected teachers. In the picture, as you can see, this is the teaching staff of St. Mary's Convent School with our beloved Sister Nancy, Sister Darshna, and Sister Mercita. Now, I will tell you what is the material required to do this activity. Firstly, we need a white A4 size sheet and one red A4 size sheet, black pen, pencil, one sketch pen, pink and green sheet, scissor, decorative item, favicol, and ribbon, green color ribbon. This is the material required for the activity. Now, first step is take a A4 size red color sheet, fold it into half like this, as you can see in the video. Fold it into half and it will look like this. After folding into half, it will look like this. Now, with the help of pencil, draw a half heart shape on the sheet. On the top of the sheet, draw a half heart with the help of pencil. You can see in the picture how to draw that. Now, next step is you have to cut that shape with the help of scissor. After cutting, it will look like this. As you can see in the picture, it will look like this. Now, after this, on the front page, start decorating with the help of the mirrors, and the decorative items whatever you have, you can decorate it with that also. And after that, take one red sheet and cut it into a square shape. Here I have taken the measurement of 5 by 5. Fold it into one. After that, fold it into second like this, then fold it into third. 3 folds we have to make and draw a shape of a petal. After that, with the help of scissor, cut it. After cutting, it will look like this. Here, red color flower measurement is 5 by 5 and white color flower measurement is 7 by 7. It is bigger than the red one. Okay. Now, with the help of favicol, paste red one on the white one. Paste red flower on white flower like this. After pasting, with the help of favicol, paste this flower on the card. On the front page, paste it like this. After pasting, we have to prepare 3 flowers like this. Okay children, 2 we will paste right now and the third one we will paste later. Like this, 2 I have already pasted, and now in the center, as you can see, I have pasted a golden stone. It was available in my house. If it is there with you, you can use, otherwise you can use anything which is glittery, which shines. Okay. Now start decorating again, and after that it will look like this. Then with the help of the green ribbon, paste it on the flower to the bottom, from top to bottom like this. And you can also paste the stars on the ribbons, so it will look more pretty. The third flower, you can see it is pasted in the center, So this is the front cover of our card, which is ready. Now we will prepare the inner part. Like this, I have cutted one heart shape white sheet and I have written Happy Teachers Day on it. Like this you can use, and I have colored it like this, and with the help of sketch pen I have written it dark. Okay, you can also use colors of your own choice. We will paste it like this on the half of the page. Okay, with the help of Fevicol you can paste it on the half of the page, and on the second page we will write you are the best. This is the message for the teacher, that you are the best. Okay, this is the way we are giving respect. We pay respect to them. Okay children. Now our card will look like this. As you can see in this picture, it will look like this. Okay. Now see the front page of our card. It is looking like this. It looks beautiful now. This is our card we have prepared for our beloved teachers. Okay. Now you see in this video how beautiful it looks.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri
Guruve Namaha. Thank you and have a nice day.